Hi students, once again welcome back to our channel VA Academy. Today we will discussing about the physics and biology 25 bits only. So today now we will start the physics. The first bit, the light is a. The right answer is transfer waves. The next question, the rate of velocity of X-ray to that of gamma is less than 1. The right answer is C. Equal to 1. That is the right answer. Sorry. Equal to 1. The third question, the reading the temperature of the medium velocity of light, the right answer is A, increases. The next question, the rainbow appears due to, the right answer is D. The next question, how many electrons are present in 1 coulomb? The right answer is C, 6.24 into 10 to the power of 18. The next question, in circular voltmeter is connected through, in circuit voltmeter is connected to, the right answer is B, parallel combination. Okay. The next question, diamond is allotropy of carbon. A man cannot be detect the object in the distant. What type of eye disease was suffered? The right answer is long sightness. There are two types. One is the nearsightedness and other one is the long sightness. Okay. If the pressure decreases, the density of the air, the right answer is A, decreases. The next question, simple pendulum oscillating time in artificial satellites. Frequently, several times they are asking the question, that is the infinity. The next question, in winter season, cooled places in radiator water mix with, the right answer is A, alcohol or ethyl glycol. The next question, the number of waves are traveled at a point in 1 second is called, the right answer is frequency. The next question, what type of energy contains a bird flying air? The right answer A and B, potential energy and kinetic energy also. The next question, a steam engine, the heat energy converted into energy, the right answer is A, mechanical energy. Next question, 1 square meter is equal to, the right answer is 10,000 centimeters square. The next question, the magnetic effect of electrical current was first observed by, the right answer is B, Oersted. The next question, the practical nature of radiations is confirmed by, the right answer is B, photoelectric effect. The next question, the mass energy relation is the conclusion of, the right answer is D, special theory of relativity. The next question, X-rays are involved by, the right answer is B, Roentgen. He was discovered. The next question, who developed the missile? The right answer is A, The next question, who was the inventor of the electron microscope? Who was inventor of the electron microscope? The right answer is A. The next question, who was inventor of scooter? The right answer is D. The next question, the relative humidity is measured by, the right answer is hydrometer, B. The next question, what glass is used to sunglasses and electrical bulbs? The important bit this is also, the right answer is B, plant glass. The next question and last question, convex lens are used to reflect the disease of convex lens are used to rectify the disease of long-sightedness. Okay guys, these are the important bits for the previous examination papers. You please kindly read and listen. If you like, subscribe, like and share. Okay students, now we will start the biology bits. We will discussing about the biology bits, 25 bits, the most important bits. Okay, please read and listen carefully. The first question, the ultra filtering units of kidney are called. The right answer is nephron. According to nephron, nephrons are tiny filtering units. There are about 1 million nephrons in each kidney. Each nephron consists of a ball formed of small blood capillaries is called glomerulus. The right answer is nephron, and this is known as the glomerulus, and a small tube called renal tubes. These are the most important in our kidney. Okay, so the next question, which of the following are mitochondria is absent? The right answer is A, bacteria and blue-green algae. The thyroid problems are two, less hormones, hypothyroid. It is a conductive where your thyroid is underlive or releases too little T3 and T4 in your bloodstream. The causes your metabolism to slow down or too much and reduces the thyroid ability to make hormones. This is the hormones problem. This one. The another one, hyperthyroidism. The release of too much thyroxine in the bloodstream is known as the thyroxinosis. This is due to overactivity of thyroid gland due to the excess the thyroid hormone. Serious health problems like heart attack or weak bones and many fatals maybe. So the main important TSH is produced by the pituitary gland. The role of regulate the production of hormones by the thyroid gland. The pituitary gland is not secreted of the TSH is very big effect in our body. The next question, the water soluble vitamins are. The right answer is A, B1, B2, B6, B12 and C vitamin also. The next question, the functional units of Golgi operators. The right answer is D. The serotonin, which are called the functional units of the organelle. The next question. Anemia is caused in the main due to deficiency of. The right answer is iron, vitamin B12, and C vitamin is also. The deficiency of these vitamins is caused to change the shape of RBC, red blood cells. The shape of the red blood cells, the shape will be different, so they are not functioning properly. The next question. The genetic material of cell resides in. The right answer is DNA. The most DNA is located in the cell nucleus is called nucleus DNA. Small of the DNA present in the mitochondria is called mtDNA. DNA converts four chemical substances. These are adenine, agonine, cytosine, and thymine. These are the more substances. Four substances are present in our DNA. The next question. Bidder's canal is meant for the passage of. The right answer is sperm and urine also. This is present inside of the kidney of the frog. It receives the sperm from the testis, passage of sperm and urine coming out through bladders. The urea is formed during. The right answer is urea cycle, that is C. One phase cycle or urea cycle. The next question. GNR is directly stimulate release of. The right answer is A. Follicle-luterating hormones. The next question is mycology is the study of. The right answer is fungi. Sorry, the answer is mistake here, not D, B, ribosomes. Ribosomes, the protein factory is every living cells gather amino acids and assemble them into the protein chain to make almost anything of the cell. The next question. Which gas is used for killing of bacteria? That the right answer is B. Chlorine. The next question. Which vitamin have metal? The right answer is C. Vitamin B12. Hepatitis B disease spread through. The right answer is D. All of the above. Through the blood donation, through the surgical instruments, through the sweat. The next question. When the food passes slowly in intestine. The right answer is C. The next question. Where we store animal sperm from artificial fertilization. That is the liquid nitrogen. In fact, the functional group of. The right answer is esters. The next question. How many bones are present in human head? The right answer is 22. The bones of the head metal joint lines is called steroris. It is a type of fibrous joint. 22 bones are divided into the main, serenium, and facial skeleton. The next question, what is the thin layer present in inner ear so called? The right answer is A. The next question, which of the following does not secretes a component of gastric from stomach? The right answer is D. The next question, one of the following digestive juice which lacks enzymes but aids digestion is? The right answer is bile juice. The last question, which of the following is assumed to be the main end product of the digestion? The right answer is C, glucose. Okay students, these are the 50 bits physics and biology. These are the very important bits that the previous examinations and what we are expecting now, SSC and RRB, all the competitive exams. So please read carefully and listen. If you are like, please kindly subscribe, like and share. Then we will provide more videos in future. We will meet this Saturday again, chemistry and physics. Thank you so much.